Overdose epidemic is sweeping the U.S., killing Americans, especially teens, at an unprecedented rate.
Here at home, overdoses and deaths connected to fentanyl are rising so fast in King County. As of today, it's now considered a public health crisis. And here's why. In King County alone, more than 260 people have died already this year from overdoses.
That's more than twice the number we saw in the entirety of 2021. But does the council's new declaration go far enough? Fox 13's Steve Kagan spoke with addiction experts today to put into perspective exactly what this means for the fight against opioids.
Here's a graduation photo of Jaden. He had a charisma about him, and then he had an incredible sense of humor that went along with it.
Kendra Cruz flips through photos that showed a family before addiction.
Nobody ever thinks it's going to happen in their lives or that it'll be so close to them.
Her nephew, 20-year-old Jaden Barker, shined bright in her family. Jaden and his infectious laugh could lift spirits, she said. He loved camping and soccer and planned to study sports medicine thanks to a full-ride scholarship. But the gap between high school and college allowed him to reach for new and adult things.
A lot of kids are just in that party phase of their life and wanting to live their lives and be out in the world and experience things, and drugs is just kind of part of that, and it always has been and it probably always will be.
But the Percocet he got from the streets turned out to be 100% fentanyl, said Cruz. The drug killed him in April 2020.
Addiction doesn't discriminate whatsoever.
Now a surge of fentanyl overdoses sweeping King County is set to break new records this year. Fatal overdoses are up 46% compared to this time last year. University of Washington professor Joseph Merrill says fentanyl can be found cut into most every other street drug. It's nearly the only opioid available without a doctor's note, and its potency, it's dangerous.
You might have a pill that you used yesterday and it was the right amount and you smoked it, and then today you get another pill and there's more in it and it's not safe.
It is an issue, sadly, that I think the trajectory is still very much going up in terms of deaths.
That's why on Tuesday, the King County Council passed a motion declaring widespread fentanyl overdoses a public health crisis. The motion also directs the county to investigate how to amplify programs and strategies that reduce deaths and slashes the drug's availability. It instructs the county to present findings this October. But what the plan lacks is money. So is it too late? Dr. Merrill doesn't think so.
While the emergency may not come attached to money, there are a lot of initiatives, and expanding treatment is one of the main ones that we believe is most effective. When people are being treated with medication for opioid use disorder, their risk of death is cut by about half.
And Cruz believes public awareness is a battle itself. And Tuesday's council action is a step in the right direction if that path leads to just one life saved from overdose.
It's never too late. Never, never too late.
Steve Kiggins, Fox 13 News.